Actually buy a token using Giant Wallet. The only thing you just do is go to Giant Wallet. As long as it is listed on the DEX, you can find it here. Then you just come to the swap. For example, you are using BNB. I'm using BNB now, but if you're using USDT, you just come here, select USDT. But for me, I'm using BNB, so I'll select BNB. Where is the BNB? Coming, BNB here. So you see it, you select BNB. You select the one you want to use, to buy up here, the one you want to buy down here. So let's say, for example, I want to buy LSCAT speed. So I just press max, and then you see this base I'm going to get. So I'm going to swap. So let me put my pin. Within seconds, spillage too low. All right, so you see the spillage too low. So once you get this request, you just go back and increase your spillage. So let me say custom. Let me say 4. Let me move it to 5%. So let me swap. So if you go through now, let me go and work on it again. So as you can see, it should work now. Authorize it to swap, so it should go through now. It's building the transaction. Wow, you see, very fast and easy. So you see my transaction has gone through GIANT token ecosystem. So as you can see here, where is what I bought. So you just refresh, and you have your issue settled. Yep, so here is it. Okay, it has moved already. Okay, I bought 3,000 pieces. Yeah, that's what my money could afford. So anytime you just come to swap, you select the token you have money in. If it is USDT, you select USDT, then put the one you want to buy on that. Let me say it's GIANT. You just put max 50% or 75%, and then you're done. Or if you're using BNB, you just select BNB. If you are buying GIANT, just put GIANT on that. If you try to swap and if you just come and put custom, then increase it to maybe 6 or 5, it will buy and you are done. That is very easy. You can get your GIANT to buy GIANT token. So you just do swap, come to custom, just change it to 6 so that transaction will go through easily, the spillage. So let me say I put 6, and I'm here. I want to use BNB, so you just search. Okay, because BNB is down there, it will not come up. So you just switch it. See this switch button, just switch it BNB GIANT. You can select it here, GIANT, and then let me say 75% of my money. Put the swap on 6. So let me go through. Wow. All right, let's go with 25%. So let's wait for it. My network is the issue. You see it has gone through GIANT with just even less than $1 I've bought. Swap successful, swapped BNB to GIANT. So it's not hard to get these tokens. So you can see I have, yes, little amount of GIANT. I'm going to add more. I just did it for video sake, but tell you the wallet is very slick. So when you want to buy, ensure your spillage, increase it to like 6, then you select the percentage you want with the money and you are done. So buying things is very, very easy and fast with Giant Wallet. So do not waste time. Ensure you enter and purchase. Thank you very much. Ensure use Giant Wallet to support the growth of the ecosystem and the growth of the project. Whatever you are doing, let it be that in history to be written that you are part of the people that supported African projects to grow and get the visibility that they need. Thank you.